Cumin is an extraordinary spice that not only adds flavor to dishes but also offers numerous health benefits. Rich in iron, cumin serves as an excellent source of this essential mineral, promoting healthy blood production and preventing anemia. Additionally, cumin possesses anti-carcinogenic properties, making it a valuable ingredient in cancer prevention. Here are some practical applications of cumin for specific health concerns. 1. Flatulence. Create a mixture of powdered ginger, black pepper, and cumin in equal quantities, and boil it in water. Add milk to the mixture and consume it twice daily. 2. Skin eruptions due to heat. Make coconut milk and add powdered cumin to create a paste. Apply this paste on the affected areas to alleviate skin eruptions caused by heat. 3. Insomnia. Mash a banana and add 1 spoonful of powdered cumin seeds. Consume this mixture at night to improve sleep quality and promote relaxation. 4. Constipation. Powder cumin seeds, pepper, and ginger, and add a handful of curry leaves and some salt. Incorporate this mixture into cooked rice, along with some ghee, and consume it daily to relieve constipation. 5. Excess heat and nausea due to acidity. Grind equal quantities of black pepper, ginger, cumin seeds, and pomegranate skin. Add some ghee to the mixture and consume it daily with cooked rice to alleviate symptoms of excess heat and nausea caused by acidity. 6. Burning sensation during urination. Consume cumin seeds with jaggery to soothe the burning sensation and discomfort. 7. Improved complexion. Wash your face with a decoction of cumin seeds to help fade scar marks and achieve a healthier complexion. 8. Indigestion. Prepare a powder by combining black pepper and cumin, and mix it with buttermilk. Consume this mixture 3 times a day to alleviate symptoms of indigestion. These practical applications highlight the versatility of cumin as a natural remedy for various health issues. However, it is always advisable to consult a healthcare professional before relying solely on these remedies for serious medical conditions. By incorporating cumin into your diet and skincare routine, you can harness its therapeutic properties and experience its wide-ranging benefits.